Introducing unimaginable power, now unchained. The Snap-on 14.4 volt micro-lithium CT761 cordless impact wrench. Maybe most uncanny, we've added all this power without making it any bigger. Which means you can get into those tight, hard-to-reach places that you could never go with an air wrench and still have the power to get the job done. Plus, 3 nose-mounted LEDs give you plenty of light to see what you're doing. The CT761 also warns you if it's running under voltage or over current and shuts itself down before overheating. And in addition to a toggle-style trigger that gives you precise control to avoid over-torquing or snapping fasteners, the compact CT761 weighs only 2.5 pounds with the battery, so you can work longer without getting tired. Good thing, because the revolutionary 14.4 volt micro-lithium battery system provides a longer runtime than the competition's 10.8 volt and 12 volt small cell packs. You'll also know how much juice you have at all times, thanks to an onboard fuel gauge. Green means the battery has a 40 to 100% charge. Yellow indicates a 25 to 39% charge. Red means the charge remaining is 0 to 24%. And red is your signal to recharge right away. And when it does need more juice, it quick charges in less than an hour, so there's less downtime. Best of all, the battery is interchangeable with our entire 14.4 volt micro-lithium family. Vastly improved power in an amazingly compact, lightweight package means the CT761 cordless impact wrench can provide unrestrained productivity.